So let's go and do a quick little walkthrough of this specific software. Now, if you've ever used Windows 10 or Windows 7 or Windows 8, it's kind of the same thing. Obviously, from Windows 10, there's a lot more similarity. So by the end of this video, you should have a good understanding. It's probably going to be pretty long, but hopefully you should have a good understanding of this specific software. Now, hardware-wise, you may be running this on a laptop, an actual desktop PC, whatever it is, it should be the same exact experience. I'm running this on an extremely cheap laptop, so if this thing can run, you can kind of get a good sense of how your laptop will run as well. So this is the lock screen. Every single laptop is, or any, Windows 11 PC should be somewhat similar. You'll have your date and time right here. You'll have, I guess, a little fact here, which is kind of good, if you're into it. You have a little bit more information here. Depending on your specific computer, this may look a little different, but typically all you have to do is go ahead and click down and you'll come into the sign in page. If you have a user set up, then all you have to do is sign in, put in your password and everything. At the bottom, there's some quick toggles though. So if you want to quickly power off your PC, you can go and click here. You can either sleep, shut down, or restart your PC. And this little option could be a little bit different per PC. So here's just some extra, peripherals. If you want to go ahead and modify these, you can.
إن
And right
الحمد
here is your
لله
Wi-Fi toggle. You can connect to other Wi-Fis and all this stuff. So let's go and click sign in, and we will come straight into our Windows 11 PC. Now in this case, let's just do something super basic. I'm going to go ahead and cover lay of the land is pretty much. So up top, typically this is a brand new PC, so you should have a recycle bin here, the Microsoft Edge browser, and many other applications if you're already used to your Windows 11 PC. So everything here should look pretty similar. Things that are usually universal are, create a new folder. So if you ever want to right click on your laptop, you can either tap with two fingers on your specific computer like this, or you can right click on your computer too with that actual button if your computer supports it. So when you do that, you can always get more information on your specific page. So even if you double click on an application, you can modify so many different things. So if you're very new to Windows 11 and Windows in general, kind of double tapping like this on your trackpad or right clicking on the mouse will always get you more information. So you can click view and modify the aspect ratio of your specific thing. You can sort by different things, you can refresh, you can always create a new folder, file, Microsoft Access database, Excel worksheets, so many different things you can do. So just even understanding this little option is pretty cool in my opinion. So you can also, modify your display settings, but look, I just double tap here, right? If you double tap over an application, you do get more, specific information from that. So get used to double tapping, different things like that. That's usually how it is. And then you have your wallpaper, which you can also modify later, which we will go ahead and modify in the settings later on. And that's pretty much it. This will pretty much always be the same. This is your home screen, essentially. Now at the bottom, we do have our, dock, our tab bar at the bottom. Now the thing is with Windows 11 specifically, they did change and modify this tab bar. So it used to be over here, like with our start menu and stuff. Now it is all centered, and I think, if you like it, you like it. If you don't, you don't. But it's beautiful and it's great. And I think actually Microsoft improved this quite a bit from Windows 10. It still has a lot of improvement to be done, but it's actually much nicer looking. So right at this section, this is a quick toggle to quickly turn on and turn off your Wi-Fi. So you can click here and it will go ahead and turn off your Wi-Fi. Anything that is gray is